Hello everyone, I am Coder Singh and today I will be talking about TypeScript and how we can write our servers in TypeScript using Express and MongoDB later. So I'm gonna create a new folder, okay, dir basics, cd basics, and we're gonna do yarn init. You can do npm init as well. So yes, basic thing, entry point index.js. Gonna make it app.js. And yes, so we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna first do code dot, let's open it in VS Code, and let's add the dependencies. Yarn add express, add the types slash express. So what is express? Express is basically a framework used to make API, and even more than APIs, we can handle HTML, CSS, and everything in it. But it is the widely used framework in the Node.js community. So, and what is @types.express? So, considering the fact that TypeScript is a statically typed language, so we need to get the types of that particular framework which has been used in that in the framework. So, and we will be using TS node as well as TypeScript. So, first of all, who created TypeScript? TypeScript was created by, if you're gonna, you should definitely check out the TypeScript tutorial, typescript.lang.org. So TypeScript has been created by Microsoft, and TypeScript is a typed superset of JavaScript that compiles to plain JavaScript. It means that whatever functions are there in JavaScript will run in TypeScript, but the functions which are in TypeScript will will not directly run in JavaScript, but they will be compiled to plain JavaScript in order to run in JavaScript. In the sense, if we create a class in TypeScript and we ask the TypeScript compiler to compile it into vanilla JavaScript, so automatically it's gonna create the object, and object will have the functions and variables, each and everything like that. So why using TypeScript? Considering the fact that if you go for the production level applications, there are hundreds and thousands of lines of code at times, and if another developer is seeing someone else's code, then the given types to particular variables can help us out of very well, and we get to have a lot of things in it, like good IDE support, and and many more things, like we get enum as well, and we get to create classes with public and private functions, which usually is public and private functions are not supported in JavaScript, but it gives the IDE to let us know that it is a public function and it's a private function. So there are a lot more things, and I would suggest that one should check the documentation of it. If not interested in checking the documentation, no issues. I'm gonna teach most of the things in over here. So I'll fast forward it then. So yes, all the packages have been installed, and now I'm gonna go to the code, and in the package.json you can see we have types express ts node TypeScript. So types gives us the types in the express framework, and ts node is used to it's just like node. When we do node app.js, similarly we're gonna do ts node app.ts, which will be a TypeScript file, and the TypeScript is the compiler for it. So I'm using version 3.3, which is the latest version over here. So we're gonna type down some scripts. So scripts can be scripts. We're gonna write the start script. The start script will be node mon. I've already installed node mon. Those who have not, I would say that one should install it. It is a very developer friendly tool and helps in the speeding up of the environment, sorry, in the coding development. So app.ts. So this is node mon minus x ts node source app.ts. So what are we going to do? We're going to create a new folder called source, and then again new file in it app.ts. And yes, so over here I'm going to import star as express from express. And what are we going to do? We're going to initialize the express module express. We're gonna initialize a port number as well. Const port, we're gonna say 8080, and app.listen. So we're gonna write the port over here. Sorry, it was in capital letter. Port, and we're gonna have the callback function over here, and once the function, yes. So we're gonna console log it server is running. I'm gonna write http local host and the port number 8080. So let's do yarn start. I'm gonna use integrated terminal over here. Yarn start. So yeah, service is running on localhost 8080, but we do not have any links to create. So let's make a very small get request link. Then I'm gonna explain you guys later. So I'm gonna import from express the request and response. And then I'm gonna use this. So rest.send hello YouTube. And as you can see over here, it is changing. The moment we change the source code, it is running automatically. It is compiling and running the code automatically. So if I go over here and we're gonna do copy this particular thing, and we're gonna go to our Chrome, and yes, so here it is, hello YouTube. So those who are familiar with the get request, get their get, put, post, delete, and many and these kind of requests which are there in the API. We will be talking about this in the coming new sections. And till then, see you, and I hope you understood what is the use of TypeScript, and how and why should you should see this whole tutorial series.